Shockingly, we all have seen CBC Marketplace hidden camera investigations where some real estate agents and mortgage brokers were seen facilitating a mortgage fraud for a fee. So, what is a mortgage fraud? How it can affect housing market in general? Can it lead to the domino effect like we saw during 2008 housing crisis in the US? What are the repercussions if you're caught participating in such an activity? And at the end, my perspective about it. So let's dive into today's topic, mortgage fraud in Canada. Hi, my name is Sunny and I make content that affect a common man financially. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to it alongside smashing that like button as this will help me with the YouTube algorithm, which of course will be highly appreciated. Buying a house in Canada has become like a status symbol. Some people don't qualify for a home mortgage either because of its inflated price or with rising bank rates, but nevertheless, some agents are bent on making a sale. Nothing wrong in pushing a sale, but some professionals were caught facilitating a mortgage fraud for a fee as seen on hidden camera on CBC's Marketplace, which aired a few days ago. We all know this is wrong and could bring serious ramifications for the agents and the home buyers. Let's watch a small clip from this sting operation, and I am leaving a link in the description for you to watch the whole episode, which I'm sure will shock you.
With interest rates so high, is mortgage fraud moving in?
Income he can make.
We're undercover, hearing the pitch.
They will do some documentation showing that you guys are making more, and they'll get you qualified.
Real estate agents telling home buyers to fake what they make and what they can afford.
There's nothing gray area about it. It is absolutely fraud.
They're breaking the law. Do you think you have a problem?
You can't afford to miss your marketplace. We're taking you inside mortgage fraud where it starts.
Income is not issue because income he can make.
As interest rates skyrocket, more people are being pushed towards fraud to get a loan.
They will make T4. They will make like he's on the payroll.
Marketplace is undercover catching real estate agents offering fake tax and other documents to prove fake salaries.
If you are making $0, even if you are a housewife, we can make the income.
If these deals go through, agents will make thousands, but buyers could be in jeopardy.
A mortgage fraud is a deliberate misrepresentation of information to obtain mortgage financing that would not have been granted if the truth has been known, according to CMHC's website. Such a fraud may include any misstating about your work, position, your income, your work history, stating you are a full-time salaried employee if you are not, amount or source of your down payment, not disclosing other debts, omitting information to inflate value of the property, to just name a few. Borrowers who misrepresent information may be held criminally responsible for their actions alongside the brokers. A simple misrepresentation of facts on a mortgage application allows an undeserving applicant access to financing. Such a prospective buyer will often overpay because he thinks he can afford monthly mortgage payment even though he may not qualify for a mortgage at the first place. This is unfair to a genuine buyer who feels priced out in today's hot Canadian housing market. According to CBC's report, fraud is taking place mostly in Ontario and BC. This could be one of the contributing factors behind huge surge in home prices recently, because if applicants are able to inflate their income, we can imagine its effect on house prices. We all remember 2008 housing crash in US when banks were giving no income, no job applicants zero down payment loans to buy houses, popularly known as ninja loans. A small correction in home prices started a domino effect which led to 2008 US housing meltdown, where banks were left holding a depreciating real estate and buyers simply vanished. We could witness similar housing situation in Canada if the underwriting of mortgages are compromised. With 20 to 30% price correction already in place in BC and Ontario because of multiple reasons, Now, when people were found lying about their income on mortgage applications, don't you think it could have catastrophic effect on housing? Let me be very clear. We have not reached that stage yet, but future remains unclear as lending rates are on the rise. I completely understand the human emotions behind home ownership, but that does not mean that we use questionable means to achieve it. Any misrepresentation on your mortgage application could land you in big trouble, especially in the financial system where everything is interlinked. You could be criminally charged or simply debanked, which has happened in the past. Now ask yourself, is this really worth it? I don't think so. But that is me. I might be wrong. Do your own due diligence before investing based on your risk tolerance. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so please consult one before investing based on your personal financial situation. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.